Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Satisfaction on guitar. This timeless rock anthem features one of the most recognizable guitar riffs ever created. You don't need to be an advanced player to tackle this tune. It's surprisingly straightforward. We'll break down the main riff, discuss the crucial guitar tone, and provide helpful tips to get you sounding great. Get ready to add a true classic to your repertoire and impress your friends with this legendary song. The heart of Satisfaction lies in its unforgettable fuzz riff. This riff is built around just 3 notes, making it very accessible. You'll primarily be playing on the A and D strings of your guitar. To truly capture the song's signature sound, a fuzz pedal is absolutely crucial. It provides that gritty, distorted tone. Once you learn the short pattern, you'll repeat it many times, forming the backbone of the entire track. Let's dive into the specific notes and fingerings for the main riff. You'll begin by playing the note on the 2nd fret of your string. From there, slide or move your finger up to the 4th fret on that same string. Finally, you'll play the note on the 2nd fret of your D string. For a powerful and driving sound, try to use consistent downstrokes with your picking hand throughout the riff. Practice these 3 notes slowly at first. To master Satisfaction, begin by practicing the riff at a very slow tempo. This helps build muscle memory and ensures your timing is precise. Don't be afraid to experiment with your fuzz pedal. Try different settings to find the tone that sounds best to your ears. Listening closely to the original recording will help you internalize the feel and subtle nuances. With a little practice, you'll be rocking out to this legendary song in no time. Have fun playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.